This dance is Countdown, choreographed by Abby Cargill. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, the right diagonal with a step, step, lock, step, to left diagonal with a step, step, lock, step, rock forward, recover, triple, 3/4 turn right to face 9. Section 2, step forward on left, clap, right, clap, rock forward, recover, triple, a half turn left to face 3. Section 3, kick forward, change, make a quarter turn left, stepping right to side, bump hips, right, left, right. Make a half turn left, stepping left to side, bumping hips, left, right, left. Last section. Side, behind, quarter turn right, step forward, pivot, half turn right, stepping back on left, step back on right, left, coaster, step. Weights on my left, I'm facing 9 o'clock and I start over with the wizard steps. Now let me go over the dance with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There is a tag and a restart during wall 10. Wall 10 starts facing 9 o'clock. You do 24 counts, so let me show you. Wall 10. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's the end of 24 counts. I'm facing 3 o'clock and there's a 4 count tag. You stomp out right, left, and then for 2 counts you can choose what to do. You can drop, you can spin, you can do body roll. I did a hip roll. You've only got 2 counts. The count for the tag is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to have your weight on your left because you'll start over facing 3 o'clock with the wizard step. And that's a whole dance.